Tata Capital Growth Fund is run by a strong team of investment professionals. I am the managing partner of the fund and I have over 23 years of work experience in the financial services sector, 16 of which is in the private equity business. I have raised 4 funds aggregating about $1 billion and I have made 16 investments with 11 exits. One of my fund returned 8 times money. Pramod is the partner of the fund. He has experience of working in the investment business both in India and overseas, and he has invested over $200 million. Sheetal, Ganesh and Madhu are VPs and senior investment professionals for our fund, and they have come with backgrounds which is not only in private equity but in strategic consulting, in capital markets and in investment banking. This gives us a wide variety of experience pool from which we draw expertise to assess our business opportunities and manage a transaction. We look at businesses, sourcing them as investment opportunities, assessing management competencies, evaluating the valuation, transacting, looking at legal documentation, and finally doing portfolio management. We sit on board of directors of companies and provide active advice and monitoring of the portfolio companies. In addition to the core team, we also have a team of advisors helping us. As of now, we have Mr. Homi Khusro Khan, who is the former managing director of Tata Chemicals as well as of GlaxoSmithKline Pharma in India, and Mr. Prakash Telang, who was the recent past president of Tata Motors commercial vehicles business, and they provide us with their insights into manufacturing as well as process related businesses in India. Net, the team and the advisors that we have access to provide a strong basis through which we can make good investments in Tata Capital Growth Fund.